Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike has got just a little under 15,000 miles and is in excellent condition. We'll take a walk around it, then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike does have some highlights on it. It's got a tinted windscreen. It also comes with HIDs, which you'll see once I fire it up. Tires are in good shape, got plenty of miles left on them. Flush mount front blinkers, frame sliders, aftermarket levers, and a tank pad. It also comes with a Graves exhaust, and it also has an integrated tail with a fender eliminator. You see the back tire too, that's in great shape. Like I said, this bike is nice and clean. And there again, blinkers and the frame slider, lever, I did just notice a little scuff right here. Very tiny though. Alright, let's get you a shot of those miles now. $14,971 is what's on this bike. And there now you can see the HIDs. This bike has been through our pre-sale inspection, also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you'll get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.